Okay, so this is the new Juki AMS221F series machine that we've put a clamp system on. This is the new panel that they have here. Kind of some unique functions. I haven't gone completely over through it yet. But one of the things I wanted to show you is when you look at these patterns here. You could actually change the name of the pattern. The original pattern number was a VDT number 0001-VDT. Well, I actually changed it to say 10x1 Velcro. So I can give you a better idea when you're looking through your patterns, all the patterns that you have listed here. Okay? So you can rename the patterns instead of a generic type number where you have to kind of cross-reference what it is. You can actually put a description in the file name. On top of that, I have in the program the description what this was, AMS221F-3020 10x1 Velcro. That's what's kind of interesting with all of this. There's some other features that are on here. It is a USB port here. It does have near-field transmission. There's a Juki app, which allows you to go through that. The functions here are the same as the other machines, the speed, the tension, the foot coming up and down, and bob and winder. But here's your ready button. So we're going to press the ready button, and then you'll see the machine home up. Okay, so these machines also have a built-in LED light that you can see. This is when I start having more details, information about the control panel. I'll put together another video regarding that. But here the Velcro gets slid in on the bottom. The webbing goes on top. Pedal starts the machine. And we'll speed this up. All right. So basically that's the same. This is the same as what's on the other machine. The ready button gives you that green setup here. And again, as I have more information on this, I will produce another video showing you what's going on with this machine.